Hi guys, welcome to the show. Today I'm going to show you exactly how we cut the florets off a cauliflower. So the first thing that you're going to need is a damp cloth, which is going to go straight onto your work surface, and that stops your chopping board from slipping. Do this chopping board here, and then we do it here. It keeps it steady. It's fantastic. Okay, next thing you need is obviously a cauliflower. There we go. Give it a wash, and then we're off. And a little bin. So, we're going to get, with our cauliflower, we're going to pull these leaves back. We're going to keep these leaves. We're going to push these back like this, all underneath it, like we're going to make a ponytail. Just twist them off and we can keep them. What we can do with those is we can put them into a chicken stock. We can actually chop them using our fine cutting skills that we've learnt. We can bend our fingers right over, we can put our thumb over it as well, and we can just chop it down into nice little bits so we can put into soups. So we can do whatever we want to with those. So we're going to put those to one side and just concentrate on this. So we're just going to concentrate on this part today. Right, so if you want to take off a little bit of the stem, we're just going to cut into it like that, turn it over and then cut into it again, and the stem should just pop off. We can keep that as well. All of this can be used. So put that there, and now we've got just these few little leaves. We'll just pop these little leaves off, and then we'll get to, eventually, we'll get to where the florets join into the cauliflower. Okay? So then we're just going to get our knife and we're just going to push and pop. Push, pop. Push, pop. Push, pop. Push, pop. Until we get to a certain point where we can just run our knife through it like that. Keep everything tidy, and then pop those off like that as well. And then when we get to the top, we've got all these little ones. You could just take that off as one clump and just break it into those. Again, all of these greens and all of these whites we can use for stews. We can use those for anything else. Anything else which requires like liquid or anything like that, where we can take all of the juices out of it by boiling it, and then we can drain it and then use that water for soups, for stocks, for anything else that we need. We can boil them and turn them into cauliflower cheese. There's so much we can do with this incredible vegetable. So there we go, that's how we take off the florets from a cauliflower. Hope you liked it guys, see you in the next one.